last year. Did you have an idea that you were gonna launch or your solo career this year? Or parang nagtitiis ka lang sa amin?
Nakabantay sila talaga. Grabe.
Any clarification?
Yes.
Meron bang exact date?
You know when you were in Japan, and then you said, to my berries.
Naalala ko na. Well, meron na talaga. Like, kilala niyo naman ako, mahilig akong mang-tease. But, hindi yung, hindi yung, yung, yes, yun lang. Like, pag alam kong meron ng lulutuin, malapit na. Parang nagsistart na ako. Kasi parang every time naman, kilala niyo ako, ma-interact ako sa social media. So, minsan, ginagamit ko siya para lituhin lang kayo na may something, minsan wala talaga. Para lang malito kayo, pero that time talaga, meron na akong message na gustong ibato sa inyo.
So you were ready?
Planning pa lang that time. Planning pa lang. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. I like your outfit. You're wearing Stell Blue.
Yes! Thank you very much for
Salamat
that.
po. Salamat.
Yes, and yes, another one.
Hi, good evening, Stell.
Hi.
I'm Maine, and again, congratulations on this massive milestone. So,
Thank you, Maine.
my question is that, since funk pop is very you, your song is very you. So, we're wondering if there are other genres that you'd like to explore in the future. Yung as in feeling mo na, since sabi mo parang dun ka safe with that sound, but is there something na parang you want to jump into it and really put yourself into it?
Nice question. Kasi kilala ako ng 18 and ng mga casual listeners as balladeer. Parang more on ballad talaga. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung ballad sa mga songs na possible ko i-release in the future. But now, parang nagkakaroon ako ng interest sa jazz music. Medyo nagkakaroon ako ng heart for them. Parang na-enjoy ko ngayon makinig ng mga jazz music. But I'm not sure kung anytime soon magre-release tayo ng ganon. But let's see kung meron, kung kaya, kung meron tayong mapipiga somewhere here. But yes, very explorative naman yung sound ni Stell for now. So, hindi malabong maglabas tayo ng something different na hindi natin in-expect. Yeah. But I'm very open on doing everything, anything under the sun.
And you've mentioned earlier na you've been teasing things. So,
yes, a lot.
Madami kaming nabudol with the audition.
Okay.
I think marami din nagtatanong online na theater is something that we think you belong into. So is that something na gusto mo din i-explore?
Yes.
I think interested in that.
I agree.
Yes, super into theater talaga yung heart ko sa hindi lang ngayon eh. Even before lagi namin sinasabi na gusto namin i-try mag-theater. Actually dapat. Hindi ko alam kung pwede siya sabihin pero actually dapat magkakaroon na. Dapat this month or next month magkakaroon na. Pero dahil nasa schedule, hindi kinaya. So, siguro, hindi siya para sa akin. But hindi mawawala yung heart ko for that. Siguro, pag nagkaroon ng time, gagawin ko siya. Sorry kung nabudol kayo dun sa audition, pero mukhang gumana naman. Gumana, di ba? Okay, gumana. Buti nga sa inyo.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Forward